strategy for victory. Remember the number.
I'm getting nervous.
Duel.
Let's duel!
This is my strategy. Lyralust. Special summoning Celestine Wagtail. I activate my beautiful birds. Harmonize above the battlefield. These summon. Join me. Rank 1 Lyralust Recital Start. Recital Start. I'll use one overlay unit to activate Lyralust. Special summoning Cobalt Sparrow. My beautiful birds chirp and sing above the battlefield. And see summon! Swoop! Rank 1 Lyralust Ensemble Robin. Feral Canary's effect. Lyralust. My beautiful bird. Spread your wings above the battlefield. Summon! From high above, rank 1 Lyralust assembled Nightingale! I activate Lyralust Bird Sanctuary's effect! I activate Lyralust Set a card. With that,
Here I go.
My turn.
I draw.
I use one overlay unit
Quite
to
a unique
activate my
strategy,
Nightingale's
don't you
effect.
think? I set a card. My monster's effect. Okay. I activate my okay. My monster's effect. I'll play this. My monster's effect activates.
I won't let you do that. I activate
I
my
shall set a
monster's
card.
effect.
All right. I end my turn.
Here I go. I draw. Celestine Wagtail's effect activates. Set a bless. Assemble Nightingale attacks. Assembled Nightingale attacks for a second time. Ensemble Robin attack.
I can do this. I'll play
That
this.
ends my
Here I
turn.
go. I draw.
I use one
My
overlay unit
monster's
to
effect
activate my Nightingale's
activates.
effect.
This card is perfect. I link summon a monster.
I use one overlay unit to activate Ensemble Robin's effect.
I shall set a card. My monster's effect activates. My monster's effect. Get ready. I special summon. This card is perfect. I exceed summon a monster. My monster's effect activates.
I use one overlay unit to activate Ensemble Robin's effect. Ensemble Robin activates when it's sent to the graveyard.
Let's battle. That brings my turn to an end.
It's my turn. I draw. I set a card.
How's this? This card is perfect.
That ends my turn.
Looks like it's my turn. My monster's effect, I set a card. I activate my trap. This card is perfect. I special summon a monster. Let's take them down.
Activate a quick play spell.
My monster
Now.
attacks you directly.
I set card.
All right. My monster attacks you directly. I end my turn.
It's not over yet. Not as long as I have a say. My turn. I draw. From my hand, I activate a spell card. I'm gonna soar through the sky like a bird. Lyralust Turquoise Warpluck. I activate the spell card. Where art thou? I activate Sapphire Swallow's effect from my hand. Lyralust. Special summoning Cobalt Sparrow activates her that my beautiful bird harmonize above the battlefield.
Did you have to play so hard?
Spade School's pretty competitive, so we all try to win.